Guys, it's Elizabeth from Madero Vlog Moments. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a room tour of our studio room at Animal Kingdom Lodge at the Jumbo House. Guys, here is our room. This is a Disney Vacation Club studio room. I'm just going to turn you around and show you the door. All the little touches for Animal Kingdom Lodge is really special, and so I'm just going to kind of walk through it with you. Even the border on this evacuation route sign. So you've got a full-length mirror as soon as you walk in, and then this is the view of your room. And what I love about DVC rooms is that you just have a little bit more comforts of home. So we have a microwave and a toaster, looks like a coffee maker with a couple mugs, a fridge, and then let's see what's down here. We just checked in minutes ago, so we've got trash and recycling. And let's look on the counter. Oh, we've got some animal carvings in the tile. Look how cute that is. And it looks like granite countertops, really pretty. Ice, cups. Looks like some more cups. And some paper products. That's nice too. All right, let's swirl around here to the bathroom. Hello, everybody. We've got the amazing H2O products. And then, again, nice sinks. Huge mirror. Lots of places to plug in your hair accessories, razors, all that good stuff. Look at the light fixtures here. So nice. All right, here's our bathroom, adding some of that African flair, some of the colors. We've got another full-length mirror, which is really great for getting ready. There's a little bit more room in here than a regular room at Disney. And then the shower. And let's turn around, I'll show you the rest of the room. So here's our suitcases for our family of 4. We just arrived, so we've got one, I don't know if this is a double or a queen, but we've got lights on either side, some African tapestry, and then an armoire here, and a joining door for another room. And then over here is a dresser with lots of drawers, huge TV, like that fills up my whole screen here. And then we've got a little sitting area with a mirror. Look at these nice chairs. And then a table, and then this is a pull-out couch, so our kids will be sleeping here. Here's our nightstand. You can see all of the little details, just the carving in that. It's not just a regular nightstand. More artwork here. And then when you come outside, we've got a seating area, and then a look at the savannah. Now this is why we're here. This room is on the 5th floor, 5582. And I can just see us enjoying our coffee out here tomorrow morning before we head off to Animal Kingdom. And look, we've got different animals that we're already seeing. And we've got giraffe coming our way. Let me see if I can pan over. See, he's coming our way. How cool is that? Where else can you stay?
He's saying, hi, Maderos, hi.
And then here's our animal spotting guide. So the kids have been checking off the animals we've already seen. Pretty cool. Oh, and I just noticed there's zebras right in our chair. Kind of cool. All right, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. And we will be having vlogs of our adventures posted on Madero Vlog Moments coming up of our trip this time, as well as the luau at Polynesian Resort and our cruise on Carnival Sunshine.